Here,
so here we will be directly coming on comp 5, which is this end. Okay, so in this case, we need a converter like this, which is directly coming from the scale, and this one will go to the.
It comes to the scale, or same like you can just.
And this
no,
one
the converter we can get in the local market.
Yeah.
Nothing to order.
Yeah, nothing to order. So this one will coming directly from the scale, so we can directly connect this one and connect to this one. So it was
it's straightforward.
Yeah. So
it's straightforward.
Yeah, straightforward.
Like this.
Yeah. So we'll it should be configured on COM5. That will be called COM5. Okay. By technical, it will COM5.
How many comps we have? How many comps we have?
Yeah, 3 comps. Yeah.
So we can go for 3 options, right?
Yes. In general operations, we are using because we are not connecting more than 3 devices in COM at present, right? So.
What are those 3 devices like?
This one. Yeah.
Fingerprint.
Fingerprints. No. Fingerprint is connecting directly inside the board. Inside the motherboard.
Scale, barcode,
Barcodes and scales.
All the peripherals.
RS232.
Yeah, RS232, exactly.
Not
That's,
USB.
No, not this.
no, that will be probably
Yeah, no, in workstation 6 we not tested because we find the ports and all. Because in the workstation 5 we already connected.
There's a slot also, no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because it is not affecting any out connectors. It's we connecting inside.
on the board.
On the board.
Here we don't know. Yeah.
No, that we need to check it out. So apart from that, we go for the scale. You can log in.
Here the card reader is integrated, right? Same like
It's
this.
integrated.
Yeah, this is integrated.
That's okay.
That is opposite. This CDC is opposite. We need to install it in a different way. This application for okay. In this case, we just log in through. Okay. We just place one more. Part of other thing we place.
But
on the
one
scale
question,
now.
sorry, breaking you
Yeah.
here of flow. If the Mac card reader is Harvard, then terminal is down.
Okay.
It's down.
We have a number pad.
Yeah, number card okay. But in order to fix this issue, they have to give it to you physically.
Is it a separate module? It's like our workstation file?
No.
No.
It's integrated.
It is integrated.
But I think it's removable.
No, it's a removable.
It's removable. It's a different
So they
piece.
can remove and send it for
Yeah,
it.
it's a different piece.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
confused.
So I just log in through. We just the first phase we go for the scale testing. I place something on the scale.
Gram.
Then so we log in. Can you take out the take out? Okay, sorry.
0.
Okay, I'm going for suppose this one. So the message will come nothing on the scale.
Place the.
So it will reconfirm it that something is there. Okay, so we go for again. Okay, it's not a problem. See, it's here. So it's 146 there.
196.
See here. Yeah, here it's actually what happened. It's 146 now. What it will be?
196.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a.
No,
maybe
this is symptom. Here, that's why I placed like that. This is
It's
the tail.
120. It's 100.
How you know?
iPhone.
See why it's reducing according to that the tire. The tire weight, the packet weight is reducing it. After that only is giving the.
Put in the container.
That's
weight on the menu item.
micros according to the. So according to the menu, because some menus having coming with the box, that box weight we need to reduce it, right? So customer don't want that separate also.
So you can do manually.
Yeah, of course. So this is we configured there that whatever the packet weight we need to mention in the tab. The POS configurator. So one menu I am creating. This may be packet weight. So that packet weight I will mention in the tab. Okay. If there is no directly, you can directly create that menu. So suppose like that. So in this case, maybe 14 kg. Is something that
Yeah.
it's 118.
So it's 118 is correct.
Actually, it's a 120.
No, we need to check the.
120.
No, the balance.
Calibration is not.
It's a balance.
Anyway, now the weight is showing the same. Same weight is showing there. That's
Because the tail weight, you know.
Yeah, see, if it is not balanced, it will not give you problem.
The surface should be good, perfect. You know, when you place the scale and you do the calibration.
Yeah.
Here there's
See
a.
here, see. You can see here.
This
So
should
we
be
need to-
leveled in the center.
Yeah, that is why it's not.
This is
feel
not the
accurate.
center.
Otherwise, it will give you accurate. Okay. So this is the two way we can calculate on the scale, either with the box spec tire will be minus for directly the chocolate.
The item itself or in the packet.
Yes. So that is the way. So both are available on the scale.
And we support almost a kg, milliliter.
Yeah. So at present we are going through the kg.
Kg is a normal that's industry.
Yeah, even in the Godi also using kg. Just put using it in the two ways actually. One in suppose in 750 gram, place something on the scale. Okay. We put for suppose 750 gram, and it's gone from 68. Actually, you can see it will not be 68. Yeah. 100. Why? The difference is coming because of the tire weight. Some box weight is there, so it is reducing that box weight and giving the actual which is being configured in the menu item. So while we configure the menu item, we will tell them that the box weight is this one, the actual weight is that. So when it's placing it, selecting that particular item, so it will be reduced. So if you go for suppose 1 kg, it's a different menu. So this one, it will give you 118 exactly. So you can check there on the scale.
118.
So this particular menu item no tire weight in the menu item configuration.
So this is the behaving like two different things. This is the main function we are using at present.
One with a tire weight, one without tire weight.
So that is the way when the
Customers are asking that.
Yeah, of course, because something is coming with the box, maybe it's 20 grams or 40 grams. Yeah, but 40 grams chocolate is very expensive, so it should be reduced.
Yes,
right. Okay. So that is why it's configured in the different ways. So this option is available in the menu. You can put that weight packet, so it will be automatically reduced and give us the actual. See, before it was 68, now it's come to 118. So same item. This is for the
Normally what happens, I mean, this box weight, let's assume the box weight. So can we set it up in a way, like, you know, if somebody is buying 200 grams, we will be using a small box. Okay. Somebody is buying 1 kilo, we will be using a big box.
Yeah, that is why here.
So you will have 2 kg.
Yeah, we have here 750 grams is there.
The different items as per
So
that
you
each
create a
separate
Yeah,
item.
we
Yes.
can configure according to the grams and that packet also.
Yeah, so it's not exactly 750 gram. It's up to 7. Exactly.
Yeah. So that 750 gram contains that whatever that box weight we already configured
Yes,
in
right,
the system. So it will calculate in that way only. So this is the two ways we are using for the scales. Okay.
So it is supporting the Arabic printing, right?
Yeah,
That
so
workstation
you
6.
can see
So
here. So,
so-
in before this workstation, we are not able to see Arabic text in the menu itself.
Okay.
So in this case, even any people can operate this menu. So whatever we configured in the name to tab, the Arabic which is printing in the checks. So same thing we can
I'll
able
appear
to
in
see
the-
in the item. So
This is the.
you seeing some junk because it is a EM database actually. So there is some limitation to we do that menus. So we configure separately. So see, whatever we writing in this one, the customer is able to see the same item in the checkbox.
This is the advantage of workstation 6 only.
yeah, because this is because of the operating system. Because others are Windows CE, so we are not able to make it Arabic. So these are Windows post-ready.
When the tablet also became this one. So this is the way. So in this one, we have scale as well as the Arabic text. We can go through that. When we can go, suppose I'm going to
Print.
payment. Yeah, of course, this one will not show. We need to configure that. But kitchen, nobody prefer the Arabic.
But it
Yes.
supports.
yes.
It supports.
You can print both Arabic and English in kitchen.
You only support Arabic.
Even kitchen displays support.
Connected to the DC. This is being taken care by customer by 1 GB. So the cable need to be ready because
If it's a tablet, it's a different thing.
yeah, you can connect the direct. In the tablet case, it is coming along with the access scale directly. So only if you want to connect with the RC,
So he has to
go
go
for
yeah, workshop.
It goes here as well. So this is not converting as well. So RS232
yeah, this one.
yeah,
So in this case, we can connect correctly.
Scan it.
Sorry? Yeah.
Scanner position.
Since it is 45, so 118 is giving accurate. So if you go for 750 grams, so you will reduce the price, which is called operation is the same. And in that, 670. This is our 2.5 scale. For the kilo whatever the conflict, there is no conflicts.
What if you make this?
Which one?
You know that
Out of this.
yeah, then all the
Yeah.
peripherals conflict.
Yeah, because it's physically connected.
Then
So
Even check printing is not possible.
it is possible, but if
IP.
if we configure the IP. Okay. This is the scenarios through the connected. Okay.
Just a printer.
So I'll print it now. Because this one is physically connected.
yeah.
This is the
Just,
printing card. Vice versa. ML card.
yeah, ML. Yeah, that's.
So we'll test it now in the wireless mode. It's updating. It's connected to the device. Okay, so now it's in the wireless mode. We go through the same card. Suppose it's preset that. Because there is no scale, so
Yes.
we will preset modes. So you take order, you can directly go for payment or simply the kitchen. The wireless mode we are trying now. The cash suppose. See, you need the kitchen directly.
How do you settle the check? Check setting.
Setting the cash. We can service also. Because in the restaurant mode, it will be service first.
Yes.
We are not going for payments.
So check will be open. First,
It will be in the people.
plug it in and then you can just wait.
Yes. This case I just, instead of service, I just close it. But for the micros, it is saying that it will, whenever you continue, it will be either service or payments.
The wireless mode you can use this as manual.
Yeah.
This is manual.
The making work for the parties. So this is the customer asking for that. This is the main our use. So any of the dining, family dining, they can just directly service it. It will be in the kitchen. So that is the most of the tablet people are equipped.
You can use it in also the drive-thru.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. They can
You can go to the cars.
whatever the according to the signal, like, so they can go. They can directly order and punch. So currently they will get also. These are the two things we have tested now.
Okay.
With the two printers, two tabs, and with the scales are both are not on fixed now. So
If you see the proper model number, we did not get the correct manual.
Okay.
So what we have done is we got something from the Viva manual and whatever come with the box. So you try to figure it out. We had a challenge with a 2-digit or 3-digit. So we need to give 3 decimals, right? So finally we made it happen. So by country, when you choose here the Arriva, when you choose the country, it is having a default settings. So we have choose here as a Great Britain. Great Britain is 3 digits, and if you go for US, it's 2-digit.
Yeah.
So if you select the 3-digit, the Great Britain, the default settings all coming along with that, it's easy to configure, right? So and also in this Arriva scaler and compared to Viva scaler, if you have the configuration mode, very difficult to Viva. But if you open here, they have kept very easily to you can
New one is
configure.
easy.
New one is easy. New one is easy.
according to the Viva, this is more practical.
You had some problem with the benches.
Yeah.
This is the first one.
One time. So we lot of issues.
Yes. That doctor.
With this actually we had a challenge with pounds and kg.
Yeah.
Units of measures.
So the new setup has already configured on this scale. So
Based on the country.
based on the
Based on the country.
Great Britain suppose a kg.
Pounds.
Pound.
Pounds.
Pounds.
Yes.
Pounds.
But here it is
because we configured here in the
That's
microcontroller.
application control. Again, we are confused with that, so we need to make sure that.
The problem is we did not get the proper manual as per this model. So when you go for the settings, we lost some
One by
places.
one country.
Yes.
Yeah, in the manual there is no place how to configure kg and pounds.
So what I escalated to Reggie. So I put this Arriva scale model, and he sent the soft copy the same.
To the master setup, where we can change the weighing unit and everything. This is not that, and we don't have any access to the master setup.
Still, it is very easy. Better
Yeah.
than-
Yeah, so once you go for a great bit turn, we can go through the configuration with the kg. So
So it's recommended to. It is recommended to sell only Arriva's.
Otherwise, and also we
You
had
can see in the Oracle documents only Arriva, no Viva.
so we had one challenge, the communication issue. What was the issue is when you keep something in the scaler, the point of sale is not taking the signal. So after that they send a patch. Now we are running with the 5.4 MR2 and hotfix 2. They send the patch to fix that one.
Oppo's also working on MR3 only.
Yes.
You're right.
Only 5.2 is the no 5.2. No.
So this is the stable with MR. What are the latest release?
The stripe will not work, right? In MR2 it will not work in the Oppo's. We cannot stripe the card, right?
Yes. That.
MR2 will not work the card.
The card.
So it is a minimum requirement for us 5.4 MR2.
That is the latest as of now. So that's how we have right now. So we whatever the things comes, we have a setup. We do whatever the R&Ds and we finalize everything. Everybody, the sales, the technical, that this what we are having. Then easy for us to convince the customer. Yes. Whatever things.
When this Brazil is remember for the printer, we provide them the IP. The check printer is not working for this one. Remote we are using this one somewhere around. Yes, that time use only the IP printer. Otherwise, mess up again after we sell this one. It's very important point. What happened? We are using check printer. Check printer never will be work ideal. If we give before we give the IP or IP card.
So now these products we are confident now.
So there's first this Rafi, Nair and Srijit. They got everything from the seniors, and now they're getting things.
Just now back up and
No, that's good. That's how they can learn.
Yes.
They're doing good too.
And Abdur Razak also is so involved into this the scaler, the parameters and everything. He involved, and these two people came to yesterday in Saturday morning to test everything. So it's fine.
Okay, before you connect, you hold your finger here
Okay.
in this switch. Then you connect. Then you move up. Then you see group 1.
Okay.
This one, the 0 here to switch,
Okay.
to jump.
Yeah.
Group 1, okay. Now, the choice 1.1. Here to change. POS, I don't know what is the other language.
What
So
we need to
you-
put?
Whatever language you want to put.
You need to put what?
You need to, of course, this one should be US,
Yeah.
okay? But
Yes.
Rafiki have the document with him. Go check with the document now.
Yes.
US.
Then, but number will be 11.
Yeah. This one to change the group, to jump the question, and this one to change the choice.
Choices. Yes.
Okay. Rafik.